Hi guys, so today I'm doing the Module 13 discussion, progress report, presentation, and executive summary. So for my white paper, I am doing Costco wholesale, and the type is a problem and solution. And I'm going to talk about ways to increase sales, better market advertising, and maybe even talk about solutions to increase sales, like a grocery delivery service. So for my progress, I first started to create an outline. It really helped organize my white paper. Also, the annotated bibliography really helped to pull information out from my sources, so I knew what I wanted to use in that article. That was really helpful. Also, it helped me do my citation, so I didn't have to worry about it later. The sales proposal also helped to organize my ideas and figure out a solid plan to get started. What I have so far is my table of contents, the titles and the headlines of each page and topic, and I also have some graphs. Some of the problems I encountered was getting to the word count. It helped me to organize each paragraph to be a certain length, so separate each one, so I will be sure to get to the word count. And another problem I had was a lot of my sentences are too long, so I have to shorten them to reach that good readability index. And my APA citations are a little wrong, so I need to go back and figure out how to correct that. So for my next steps, I am going to reread the final assignment to see what I missed in my white paper and reread the rubric. Also take more notes on my sources. The annotated bibliography really helped, but I think it'd be better to organize everything on paper. Also, I want to look at examples just to see the creative design and figure out how to make mine unique and stand out to who I'm writing to. And I anticipate to complete it December 3rd, finish writing it and then look over it. I have 2 days to look over it and figure out what I need to add, take away, and overall just make it a good final paper before it's due December 5th. Thank you.